Release nitrogen gas. Loosen the pressure regulating port screw. Install the nitrogen pressure gauge. Hold down the piston. Loosen the exhaust port pressure relief nut simultaneously slowly. When the pressure gauge shows 0, the air release is complete. Add nitrogen gas. Before add nitrogen gas, pull out the piston and tightening the pressure relief nut. Disassemble the gas hole cover. Unscrew the nitrogen bottle cap. Connect one end of the hose to the nitrogen bottle outlet. Tighten the connecting nut. Connect the other end of the hose to the pressure gauge inlet. Tighten the connecting nut. With one hand holding the piston, slowly open the nitrogen bottle valve. With the other hand, slowly add gas until the pressure gauge shows 11. Lift the piston to prevent gas leakage. Close the hydraulic bottle valve. Remove the gas hose. Install the gas hole cover. If the gas is too full, refer to the deflation steps to reduce the pressure. Adjust repeatedly until the pressure gauge shows around 11. Tighten the pressure adjustment screw after completing the adjustment.